Everyone likes to cop the best and hyped sneakers, but getting limited items can be really difficult. Today we explain why a sneaker cook group is key to be successful in order to get the most wanted items. 1. What is a cook group? A cook group is basically a community that helps members to cop exclusive items like sneakers and streetwear. Cook groups are based on a Discord server where the whole environment of a group is accessible. You can get access to a group if you purchase a membership at a restock or get invited to join their server. A cook group provides valuable information on how and where to get access to newly released and restocked sneakers. 2. Why is a cook group important for my success? Without a cook group, you'd have to search information for every release manually and also have every site constantly monitored in order not to miss out on anything, which is impossible. A cook group gathers all valuable information and puts it together for you to easily access every drop and restock. It also gathers refers so you can get some Ws even before a drop. It pings you if something important happens, for example a shock drop or a restock. It also has monitors when certain sites drop or restock items, so you're one of the first people to have access to a product. 3. How can I get into a cook group? There are a lot of cook groups out there, so first of all decide which one you want to join and has the best features for your needs. Make sure to join a group which supports your region, so for example if you're from EU, make sure to join a EU cook group for best success. Premium cook groups sometimes restock memberships via Twitter, so for example HypePoint recently had a restock and tweeted out the link where you could purchase a membership. For really hyped groups, make sure to follow the group on Twitter and have notifications on because memberships are really limited and can sell out within seconds. After successfully purchasing a membership, you get a key which you can activate at the dashboard, and from there you're good to go. 4. Why do most cook groups cost money? Most cook groups have a monthly fee because they provide a lot of services which cost a lot of money. For example, monitors are constantly working in the background and are often hosted by third-party providers who have to be paid as well. Premium groups have useful and exclusive guides on how to be successful with drops or how to use your bots, etc. They have many experienced members which can not only provide good information but also help you one-on-one if there's an issue or you need help with a certain thing. They also provide the best partnerships with bots and proxy providers and hold group buys on a regular basis in order for you to gear up for upcoming releases. 5. Frequently asked questions. 5.1. Is a cook group only for bot users? No, though it is a necessity for bot users, especially manual users can get information as early as possible in order to cop whenever a product is available. If you want to be successful at copying shoes, you have to learn how certain sites work, what methods you can use in order to quickly submit an order, and the best thing is to learn that manually with the help of a cook group, as they know best how to use the tools provided by the group. 5.2. Is an expensive group always better than a cheaper group? No, there are also free groups out there which are totally worth joining, but you can get most out of premium/paid groups. They provide the best tools which can financially only be covered by members who pay for a monthly membership. Yet more money doesn't mean more value, because good tools can also be covered with less than $50 per month and user. Most important is the community and the feeling inside the community and how valuable the information and support is that gets provided by the group to the members. 5.3. Should I join a premium group as a beginner? Yes, the faster you learn how to cop certain shoes, the bigger steps you can take on being more frequently successful. The better the support from the community, the faster you learn how to do things you have to do in order to cop on most releases. As stated before, premium groups provide the best support and training when it comes to copying limited items. 5.4. Does a cook group guarantee success? Not really, you still have to be invested and spend some time inside the group to get most out of your membership. However, the more you're into on how a cook group works and how to use their tools like monitors and guides, the more likely you'll profit from a membership. Conclusion. Should I join a cook group? If you want to be successful on hype sneakers and fashion releases, you have to go with a premium cook group. It gives you the best and fastest information on how and where to cop limited items. The community aspect is really important, as every user can provide valuable information to other members of the group. As a final recommendation, I definitely consider utilizing the opportunity of being part of a cook group in order to be successful at copying limited items and fashion pieces.